Imagine communicating with your corporate knowledge base by simply typing a question in a chat. Introducing Prosearch, your generative AI-powered knowledge companion. With Prosearch, you simply ask a question of your data in the same way you would ask a colleague. And it's all integrated with your favorite team collaboration tools to seamlessly fit into your workflow. Behind the scenes, Prosearch works its magic by running your query, called a prompt, against such popular knowledge bases as Google Drive, Notion, Coda, Confluence, and Jira. Prosearch reads and understands various types of documents, including PDF, Word doc, PowerPoint, and Excel files. Using sophisticated large language models, or LLMs, Prosearch generates the best answer to your prompt based on the retrieved content and its context. Now, let's see it in action. Suppose you want to quickly review a list of employee benefits in Canada and then compare them with those in the US. Prosearch can accomplish this task in a matter of seconds, saving you from tiresome folder digging. Or perhaps you're looking to enhance your skills and are considering an SA certification as a way forward. Simply ask Prosearch to retrieve all the necessary information for you. Having trouble finding the appropriate NDA policy? Forget about sifting through folders. Just type your query into the chat, hit enter, and receive detailed guidelines. Planning your next business trip? Quickly look up your corporate policy to understand how much you can spend. Miss the latest all-hands meeting? Prosearch has you covered. Need a quick update on the company's financial results? Not a problem. Prosearch will find the stats and organize it for you in an easy-to-read and consume format. And those are just a few examples of how Prosearch can help you in your knowledge work. From project updates to operational documents, from financial reports to product specifications. Unlock the power of generative AI to provide visibility into your enterprise data. Book a demo to learn more.